Good morning, all. In this video, I would like to put forward my views on schooling. Schools should aim at developing content plus skills. I would say skills every student must develop during schooling. I will ask two questions here. One, is getting high marks enough to succeed in life? What skills will you need in 2030? Can artificial intelligence replace every human skill? We have to think. School gives knowledge. Knowledge gives you power. Skills help you use that power wisely. Therefore, in the school, not only knowledge will have to be given to them that requires for future, but schools must help them to develop skills that helps in their life. I have listed here essential skills. One, communication skills, critical thinking skills, problem solving skills, creativity and innovation, teamwork and leadership, digital and AI literacy, emotional intelligence, time management, environmental responsibility, and lifelong learning skill, message, knowledge, skills plus values will make you responsible citizen. You have to ask a question like which skills do you already have, or which skills schools have already helped in developing. Which skills do you want to improve? Schools must think what skills they have to make children in everyday's life. How can these skills help you at home, in school, and also in future career? Just sit down quietly and do self-assessment. Put a tick if you know already. How I know how to ask questions. I work well in a team. I solve problems calmly. Problems means not the mathematical problems. Any problem that arises while maybe traveling, maybe buying something, maybe knowing something, or any problem that you face. I respect others' opinions. I use technology responsibly. Today Instagram, Facebook, and all these things load things which are essential and which are non-essential, which are useless, which are very useful. You have to be selective to know what particular uh, type of data, what particular type of reels you have to use. I keep learning every day. Today's marks are not important. Getting 99% is not very important. And you must learn tomorrow's skills, which are more important than the marks. The purpose of schooling is not only to prepare children for examinations, which many schools do today, but to prepare them for life, make them learn every day, make them think creatively, make them work together, make them care for others, and tell them never stop learning. Thank all those who help to develop skills. Good luck.